Huh? Who are you two puppets? I'm blue and white watch puppet. Don't you mean bracelet? My name is soccer ball puppet.
I'm Ramble Jumble Puppet. Ultra Jumble.
Yeah, I can see you're really cool. Well, who do you think's getting traded today? I mean, I don't know. He now plays with me all the time. I don't know, I heard he likes weird stuff. But I bet it's not gonna be me. My pops are amazing. Man, let's just talk about how he only uses you. Let's talk about how he uses y'all because you're new. You just got toasted.
What?
I mean, you just got roasted. Well, it's not gonna be me. He never trades me because he doesn't like scamming, and my bubbles just pop back. Little loser. Yeah. Wait, guys, he's coming. Who should I trade today? Not this one because I feel like I'm just kidding. How about soccer ball? Yeah. Trading soccer ball, going once, going twice. Okay, what's your offer? Oh my god, what in the world is that? Okay, can you just add one more fidget? Fine.
Let me.
Okay, fine, I'll accept.
Yeah!
Well, I guess I'll get used to these.
Hey guys. Hey, what? You just sound like me. Wait, we move now?
Hold on, let me tip. Okay, this is stupid. Why'd you say that? There's a hand right next to us. Well, I'm glad they traded soccer ball, even though the watch was a bully too. Soccer ball was a brat.
Y'all need to get rid of his attitude. Yeah. Fine, just call me Red Nail Thing. Oh, okay, Red Nail Thing.
My name is Pink Octopus Poppet. My name is Yellow Heart Poppet.
My name is Rainbow Square Puppet.
My name is Blue and White Bracelet Poppet. Like, what are these breasts? They're not even fidgets. I'm the green version of him. Green nail thing. And what did you just say about me? Nothing. Let's just not worry about it.